Very good evening to one and all. So today we are going to discuss about AutoCAD software. This AutoCAD software is very important for to create the 2D geometrical. Okay, so this is like a pre-processing tool. So here we can create the 2D as well as 3D objects. Okay, so here first we have draw tool, modify tool, and annotation tool. So draw tool we can create the line, polyline, circle, arc. Then we can create the rectangle, polygon. Then here we can create the ellipse like that. Okay. So here we can use the move command and rotate command, trim command, then mirror command as well as fillet command, then explode, offset, stretch command. Like so here we can edit the tool using the modify command. So this annotation tool is used to create the dimensioning. So we can make the dimensioning using the auto um, text tool and the dim liner tools. Okay, so in this, so here this is ortho mode. So ortho mode is one type of shortcut key. So ortho mode. So I will explain about the where we can use the ortho key. So here we can't draw the straight line, right? So for we have to create the straight line. So we have to create this straight line. We can use this ortho. Okay. So here just check here. So after switch on the ortho mode, we can create the straight line. So it may be horizontal line or vertical line. Okay. So if you want to exit from the command prompt or this tool, so just simply we have to press the escape. Okay. So if you want to delete the object, just select the object and press the delete. Okay. So here, first of all, before going to AutoCAD software, first we have to set the pre-requesting. Okay. So first one is unit. We have to set the units. So before going to unit, this one is command prompt. Okay. So here either we can select here for a line tool. Either we can select here or we can type here. Okay. By using line. Okay. So this command prompt, suppose if it is closed, if it is not enabled in your AutoCAD software, just press the Control 9. Okay. So first I will we have to set the units. Okay. So here we have millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer like that. So in India we are using right? So millimeter. So this is precision value. 0, 0.00 like that. So here based on the if you want 15 exactly 15 means number and 15 means we have to select the 0. Suppose if you want 15.5, so we have to select this one. Suppose if you want 15.55, you have to select this one. Okay, so I will choose this one, give OK. After that we have to set your paper size. Okay, so paper size, it will ask the lower left corner. So this is my lower left corner. So this is my upper right side corner. So in previously we used drawing sheet for creating the diagrams, right? So AutoCAD, nowadays we are using AutoCAD. So we have to select the size here, A3 or A4 size. So here I will choose 0 comma 0 upper lower left corner, so upper right corner. So 420 comma 297, this is for A3 sheet. So I will give enter. After that, we have to create fit your windows. So I will give zoom here, give all. Okay, so now we have two box, so two lines. One is green line and a red line. So we are going to create the diagram above the red line as well as within this green line. Okay, so first I will create one line, so straight line. Okay, so because we enabled the O snap, suppose. Okay, so I will explain the O snap F3. Okay, so is for if you want to create the, if you want to find out the endpoint, midpoint, center, just we have to switch on the O snap. So I will clear this one, select, give select all and give OK. Okay, now you can check. So okay, suppose check. So we can easily find out the start and end point. Okay, end point of the line. So suppose I'm going to switch off this one, just check. We can't get the start and end point. So now I will switch on this one. So we can easily create the start and end point. Okay, so now I will measure this line using annotation tool. Okay, so this number is not visible. Okay, so just if you want to enlarge the number, just go to dim scale. Okay, here I'm going to change the dimensioning style. Okay, so go to modify tool and here text, I will increase the text height 5 as well as arrow size 5. Then primary unit, suppose just here we can, you can see it here. So 18, sorry, 181.28, right? So because here fraction 2, so here we have 0.00. So I will select here. Now check the changes here. So I will give OK. Then here give the set current and close it. Now we can see the dimension change, right? So next, okay, so I will delete this one. So next I will draw one circle here with radius. So here we can create using diameter or radius. Okay, so I will use this radius. Radius I will give 25. So now you can see the radius here. Okay, 25. So if you want, check using diameter. Okay, diameter. Then I'm going to create. So next, suppose here we can use the modify toolbar. I will copy this the circle, then give enter. It will ask the base point. Okay, so this point to somewhere. So if you use copy tool, we can get the n number of same object. Okay, suppose if you use move tool, just check the difference. So I will select this one. This is my original object. So this is my center point. I will move here to here. Okay, that erase. So we can't get the original file if you use the move tool. Okay, so next, suppose I'm going to use the offset. So offset, how much amount we are distance we are going to move the object. So I will give 10. I'm so this is my, it will ask the which object you are going to offset. This is my line. So if you want to do same command, okay, same offset with the distance 10 means we can use same line. Okay, just select this one and move the line towards the upward direction. Suppose if you want to move the move the line towards the downward direction. Just move your cursor downward direction. Okay, so you can check the dimension here. This point to this point, 10. Okay, like that. Offset. So okay, now rotate command. So I will use the rotate command. Just I will draw one approximate line. Okay, so just select this one, or you can type rotate. So it will ask the select the object. This is my object. It will ask the base point. So you can choose this base. This is my base point, or this one. You can use any one. Okay, this is my base point. So you have to specify the rotation angle. So I will give 50. Okay, it will move like this. Okay, suppose if you want to um, go to original file, original line. If you want to, if you don't want to delete or rotate the line means just press Control Reset. So redo, sorry, undo. Just select this line to last the object and give enter. This is my specific base point. Now I will give 50 in this side. So just um, check the difference. Okay. So if you select this point, it will go upward direction, and so it will go anti-clockwise direction. If you select this one, it will go clockwise direction. Okay. So these are the some basics. Okay. Suppose we want delete the objects. Okay, just select all and delete it. Okay,